Hello and welcome back to my flavor kitchen. Today I'm showing you how I made this barbecue roasted fish with some chips. So first I've sliced my potatoes and I added salt to it. So I'm going to fry it and set it aside. So next I'm going to cut open the fish on the side and remove the offals, that means the dirt inside the fish, and clean it properly. Next you you cut deep the fish on the sides. This is where you're going to put the sauce to marinate deeply. Now pat dry with clean towel. Can you see the cut on both sides? Then let's make spicy barbecue sauce. In hot oil, pour some onions and fry till golden brown. Then go in with the blended pepper. I'm going to stir it and cover it, then allow it to fry for 2 minutes. Do not over fry the sauce. Now let's go in with some seasoning cubes, white pepper, black pepper, oregano. If you have parsley, you can add that as well. Next, I'm adding coriander. I also added some ginger garlic powder, chili flakes, and yaji. That is suya spice. You can add any spice you have available. So add all of these ingredients and feel free to add more if you like, and add any other spice you want as well. So I added salt and Cameroon pepper. I want it a little spicy. So it's ready. Don't fry for too long. Now rub and marinate with the sauce. Let it go deep into every corner and deeply into the cut you made earlier. I'm putting it everywhere, in the head, in the throat, on the sides, and everywhere you find an opening. Now sprinkle some scent leaf on both sides. This is going to give it a different and delicious flavor. So I'm going to transfer to the oven and allow it to stay for some 15 minutes, and then I flip to the other side for another 5 minutes. Make sure you reduce the flame. Now add the fried chips and put the remaining sauce on the chips. Let it stay for another 2 minutes and bring it out. Then it's ready. The aroma and the taste from the scent leaf give this a twist. You would want to try this. Please subscribe for more yummies. Thanks for watching. Bye.